Patrol, a coloring card game, is a game where the deck comes uncolored and the players enhance their cards with 12 different colors and abilities. The cards can be colored in with color pencils, Prismacolor markers, crayons, just about anything. The deck features 90 soldier cards, each with their own unique artwork and unique abilities. Each soldier has a level. Their base attack and health are equal to the level. This would be a 5/5. All of the artwork from the prototype deck is getting redone. There are 12 different colors and abilities that players can choose from. Each color and ability affects gameplay in a different way and will help players to create their own deck to their own play styles. The official rules state that the ability the card has is written in the ability bubble under the level, and this allows so that players may not have to color their cards at all, or if they wanted like a whole deck of red, they'd still be able to use all the different abilities. Players start off by drawing up to 5 cards for the round. The first player that goes is the attacking player, and they separate their cards into patrols or groupings on the board. The second player is then the defending player, and they then separate their cards into patrols or groupings. They can be 3 and 2, 2, 2 and 1, one large group of 5, or 5 groups of 1. Then the attacking player will designate one patrol to attack the defending player and line them up on the board. Now the defending player will have the option of which patrol he likes to attack the attacking player with. The defending player, since there's an odd number of patrols, has 1 patrol left over. The attacking player then gets to take a turn, and he chooses to attack with his card to the other card. He reveals a sorcerer. The sorcerer's ability is it does double damage to hidden enemies, although they didn't need the double damage in this instance. The savage dies. The defending player chooses to use his other patrol card. This card has range. It is the sniper. It has the ability long range bow. Reveal sniper to kill an already revealed enemy. The attacking player attacks. Reveals a scrapper. The defending player has a wizard card. In this instance, the scrapper dies. The defending player reveals the hunter card. It does double damage to enemy cards that are the same color. But the attacking player stops the defending player to use a defense ability, the warlock. It has fear, which is reveal warlock to return attacking enemy to base. The attack does not play out, and the hunter gets returned to the base. Cards that are in the base at the end of the turn do not gain a level. The attacking player attacks with the berserker card. And the defending player has a bard card, which has reassuring pat. Reassuring pat gives patrol mates +1 damage. So the wizard in this patrol would gain 1 temporary level, and the berserker dies. There are no more moves left. Each revealed card gains a permanent level, and then each player gains 1 point for each level gained this way. The cards are turned face down and returned to base. Each player draws up to 5 cards, and then the defending player becomes the attacking player in the next round.